Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to compress your video. Let's say you have a video that you want to shorten the file size and you don't know how to go about it. Sometimes a large video files are difficult to transfer from a device to another. Today I will show you how to shorten the size of that video. So if your video is, say, 40 MB, it can be shortened to up to 15 or even 10 MB. So without much ado, let's go straight to the point. Simply go to this website. Now after that, go to video. When you click on video, you see a drop down list of a lot of things you can do to your video. All these are for free on this website. So click compress video because we want to shorten, we want to reduce the size of our file. So we click on compress video. Now this takes you to the page where you can upload the video you want to compress. So click on upload from PC or mobile. And then you look for your file. I have my saved in videos. Select it and wait for it to load. Here you set the target of how much you want to reduce your file size by. So here we will reduce by, say, 40%. So compress and click compress. Wait for your video to load and compress. Yeah, so our video has finished compressing. So you can now download your new file. So click on download. And your file will be downloaded. So simple. This is how to compress your video. Please, today is your first time here. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.